What's up, everybody? We're doing a full box of Prizm. Good luck, everybody. It's gonna be so much easier now to start the break. I wouldn't mind getting a LaMelo Prizm or an Anthony Edwards. I might have see how the market is and grab one. Definitely getting some Prizm breaks. Not this Prizm, NBA Prizm. There he is, LaMelo Ball, Obi Toppin base, Jalen Smith, C.J. Ellenby, Refractor, Aaron Naismith, Ashton Higgins, R.J. Hampton, Josh Green, C.J. Ellenby, come on down. The Blazers. The Blazers are on the board. That's the only Blazer auto. They got it. Sean. Put this over here. Anthony Edwards, Devin Vassell, Refractor Tyrese Halliburton, R.J. Hampton, Denver out of 75. Nice hit right there. Mike, that's nice. Jalen McDaniels, Theo Malden, Azubuike, and Cole Anthony. That's a sweet hit right there. That blue looks so good. R.J. Hampton. Nice hit. I really think R.J. Hampton's going to be good with Denver. James Wiseman, Woodard, Isaiah Stewart, silver, Trey Jones, nice LaMelo, and this is a hyper Trey Jones. Trey Jones is somewhere. He's a Spur. Trey Jones, San Antonio Spurs at Douglas. Then we had a LaMelo hyper, Ashton Higgins red, Woodard, and Carey. Oh, it's so nice doing a break and I can actually say what teams they go to without trying to somewhat guess. Toro, Winston, Xavier Tillman silver, Isaiah Stewart base. Isaiah Stewart goes to actually it goes to Isaiah Stewart goes to where you at? Pistons. He's a Piston. Very nice. Devin Dotson, Bulls out of 99. Peyton Pritchard, that's Boston. Tyrese Maxey. Josh Green, Denny Velge, Theo Malden, Xavier Tillman out of 199. Xavier Tillman. Grizzlies. Kyra Lewis hype. This goes to Golden State. Nico Mannion and Oka. He's a Lamb. Come on. We haven't hit one of the big three. I mean big three, I'm talking about like James Wiseman, Anthony Lamb, refractor. Who the hell's Anthony Lamb goes to the undrafted. Justin Terry. That's an undrafted. Then we got Sadiq Bey. There is Mr. Anthony Edwards. Out of 75, sweet hit, Killian Hayes and my precious, my precious. Mello, Ramsey, Devin Vassell. Devin Vassell. Devin Vassell, where he goes to? I really need to put this in alphabetical order. Spurs. McDaniels, Maxey, Howard, Alabama. You know on YouTube how many times we get asked what time a break is? Y'all know how many times I get asked that at night? Anthony Edwards base, Bay, Lamar Stevens, base, Howard, a Wiseman. There's a Wiseman. Do y'all know how many times I get asked that at night? The answer is a ton. Lamar Stevens is Cavaliers. It's Cleveland, Lonnie. Edwards, Cole Anthony, Oturo, Vernon Carey Jr. out of 199, OB Tatum Hype. Precious out of 199. Jalen Killian Hayes. Vernon Carey Jr. goes to the Hornets. It's a Hornet. Vernon Carey, R.J. Hampton, Cassius Winston, Jordan Bowden, get Bowdy, base, Patrick Williams, Jordan Norval, Josh Green, Isaiah Stewart. Jordan Bowden, he's undrafted. Undrafted Tennessee player. Nico Agbawa, Cassius Stanley, Sam Merrill. Sam Merrill goes somewhere. Sam Merrill's a buck. He is a buck. We got Tyke Bay, Isaiah Stewart. Naismith, there's a Wiseman, Aqua, Tyrell Terry out of 149. Tyrell Terry, blue. LaMelo Hype, Trey Jones, Precious, and Killian. Where does Tyrell Terry go at? He's a Maverick. I'm gonna get some sleep. Not much. He's a Maverick. Oh, Jake. Scooter's not coming. It'll be just us three. If you have somebody over there that wants to play. He said he's been in bed all day. He said he's sick. That's what he told me. Obi. Josh Green out of 75. Josh Green out of 75 goes to the Mavs as well. Dallas. Lexi. Then we got in Anika. Killian Hayes. Calabay. Killian Hayes. I'm just passing what he texted me today. So if you got somebody that's over there that wants to play with us, yeah, you can get as many as you want. No, I don't think so. Zeke, Trent Forrest from Florida State, Duco, whatever his name is, Kyra Lewis out of 75, Marcus Howard, and guess who? Marcus Howard. Trent Forrest, goes to the Jazz. That's who Doka goes to. But he said he was sick. Okay. Night night. Trade Dotson, Chicago. And there he is. Dotson again. That's Chicago. Wiseman. Jalen Smith is Suns. Killian Hayes. Trey Jones. RJ Hampton Silver, Killian Tilly on a 199, Ramsey. That's a cool Tyrese Maxey out of 149. Patrick Williams. Who's Killian? Pistons. I'm telling you, if in those next 4 packs, if not one of the big 3 get pulled, them last 4 boxes gotta be good. Gotta be. We've only pulled one big name, and it was a base out of it. If they don't have nothing in these next 4 packs. And we're gonna be doing PYTs next week, so everybody can get all their players. Nick Mannion, that's Golden State's. Alexa, who the Alexa, that's the Thunder, OKC. That's sweet looking. Daniel Oturu out of 99. Marcus Howard, Isaac. Grant Riller, Hyper, Isaac Okoro, Marcus Howard, Grant Riller. He goes to the Hornets. Grant Riller goes to the Hornets. Two packs. Anthony Edwards base. Tyrese Maxey silver. Cole Anthony base. That's Orlando. Nice one, Anthony. Killian Hayes hype. Denny Washington out of 199. Ashton. Dude got sounds like Kobe White. Let's see. And an A.
Every day I work hard and he works right for me. Isn't that right, Frank? Frank, I go. No alarms tell me what to stack. Nice try, Kevin. I don't care about posts in life.
Last pack. Like I said, we have 4 more boxes. Obi, Tyrese, Nico, Jalen Smith out of 99. That goes to the Suns. I know that one. Phoenix. Sean Murphy, nice hit. That's their first round pick. And their only pick, I believe. Yep, their only pick. Then we got Isaac Okoro, Cleveland. Tyler Bay, which is nothing Dallas. And Obi Kenobi. Two. Cole Anthony. Grant Miller. Prosalski. Forrest. Merrill. Bowden. Lamar Stevens. Vassell. Anthony Lamb. Isaiah Stewart. Trey Jones. CJ Ellaby. Jalen Smith. Killian. Devin Dotson. Josh Green. Tyrell Taylor. Vern Carey Jr. Xavier. RJ Hampton. This one's out of 75. We have 4 more boxes, and that should be a PYT. And that sucker got to be good, because we only filled one of the big autos, and that was a base. And I know they got more than that in there. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 giveaway spot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sean Murphy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jennifer and Sean Lawrence go with Lanyap. There we go. Congrats, everybody. Thank you. That's the break. Cajun.